What's going on? It's Micah back again with another video. In this video, I got a 2020 Chevy Camaro in for ceramic coating. So we're going to go through step by step. First, we're going to wash it, decontaminate it. Then we're going to get it in the garage. We're going to do a paint correction and polish and do the coating. If you like watching detailing videos, product reviews, how-to videos, and live streams we do every other Saturday, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. In the meantime, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So the customer here recently just got this Camaro from the dealership, which is the whole car had a lot of contamination. I felt it pretty rough. So I'm using the Max Shine clay towel, basically washing the whole car with the clay towel. You can get the clay towel on my website at detailedepot.co and just search clay towel from Max Shine. The lance I'm using is from MTM, and the soap I'm using is from Vonix. It's called a Citron. It's a degreasing shampoo. It basically will strip anything that was on there that the car dealership put on, any type of waxes or sealants or anything that's on there. It's going to be gone. I do use Citron as my stripping shampoo for anything I'm about to use for any type of ceramic coatings. It is my go-to for it. I do highly recommend it. You can find Citron and the MTM gun and lances. I have both of those on my website at detailedepot.co. see when I zoomed in really close, the marring I did with the clay towel, which is common, but there was also some a lot of swirls from whoever had the car before him, went through the car wash quite a bit. There was a lot of swirl marks and scratches on here. So I bust out my ShineMate, which is my favorite polisher, and the ShineMate pads. This is the cutting pad from ShineMate. They are some pretty decent pads. I do like using them. Going along, I'm gonna go for the first step. I'm gonna do some corrections because there are quite a bit of swirls on here. On the red paint, it's kind of difficult to see with the camera without having to get the right angles. But first step, get the correction done. There were some heavy defects right there, like maybe there was some bird poop or something there, and someone scraped it off real bad. So it wasn't going to be polished off, so I wet sanded it. I did take some measurements. There was quite a bit of numbers there for me to wet sand, so I did it, and came out looking good. From SystemX, I'm using Pro. It's a ultra hydrophobic ceramic coating that's out of Automotive Paint Pro, which is a semi-permanent 9H self-cleaning ceramic with high gloss. Pro has passed a rigorous Boeing approval testing and has been evaluated for hardness as well as alkaline and salt resistant by SGS Laboratories. This ensures that Pro is 100% safe for your paint, adheres to molecular levels, and withstands tough environmental conditions.